So today I'm going to show you a budget-friendly way of making some weed spray at home. You only need 3 ingredients. It's white vinegar, some eco-friendly washing up liquid and some salt. So I'll show you how to mix it all together in this jug. So I've got 850 ml of white vinegar, so I'm going to pour that in first. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of salt, and what the salt does, it helps to dehydrate the plant, so this will help kill the weeds. And then about a teaspoon of washing up liquid. Giving that a mix until all of the salt is dissolved. So the reason that we use washing up liquid in here is just to make it stickier, so that it sticks to the plant to make it more effective. And now I'm just going to pop it in my spray bottle. So this is ready to use now, and you want to make sure that you use it on a sunny day, just because the sun and the heat makes the vinegar more effective, and that should kill your weeds for you.